Hello and welcome to the caravanning summer show in Jastrzębie, Poland. Right, so we've got a bit of wind here, so I'm going to have to shout a bit and hope you can hear me above the wind. I've got here a caravan with a tent in the roof. It's a mini caravan. It's a, I don't know, I was calling them teardrop caravans. Let's now have a bit of a look at it, and then I'll show you around not only the caravan, but also the area where we are right now. So lifestyle camper, it's called. It's manufactured in Ukraine, and let's okay, have a look what it looks like inside. Now you're looking for something like this somewhere in the region of around, I think it's around 13,000 euros. For this one here is going to cost more because it's got more added onto it, such as it's got this television up here, although it can come without the television. And here we've got the lighting, outer light, upper light, backlight. I'll turn the backlight on and you can see that the backlight has actually come on. I'll show you. There's directly into the inverter, and there we've got even more lights now. Okay, and we've got a bit of ventilation as well. Now, what's it like in here? Well, there's plenty of space down there to put your feet, should you so want. Let's have a look in here. Oops, and they've got a bit of storage, so you can keep your clothes or your dog food or whatever in there. And you've got the same at the other side as well. Another feature of which I certainly personally appreciate are these nets which are on the side of the walls. Now also here I notice there is a cup holder. There's a door on either side, which seems to me to be the done thing in vehicles of this nature. And I mentioned earlier that, but the light went on, so there you go, there's the light all the way around. So that gives you a bit of a look in the interior, hooks and what have you. Obviously you could do it up to your own request inside. Now let's come out a bit as well. The external material comes, I believe, from the United States, hard stuff, and it is very obviously weatherproof. Now we'll come down here and have a look at the kitchen. And so gas, water, and here we'll have the fridge. There's the fridge, and you can get a fridge like this from Dometic, for example, amongst other companies that actually do it. Now here, let's look at the power situation up here. Right, so now on 13.6, it's and right, well there's the rest of USB, car supply, inverter power, 220, two lots of 220, and obviously now if you've got something like this, you get battery to suit. And for example, if you've got a LifePo 4 battery and you have power that and lasts for ages, particularly if you've got a bit of solar to go with it. What's in here? Let's have a look. Oops. And electrics there. And now we know where the corkscrew is. So this is towards the end of this event here, so people are now leaving us. Just set off the engine, as you can hear. Right, now what you can do in something like this, you've got a tent in the roof, which that's obviously comes as extra, but it's an option. And in a case like this, you've got this magnificent view of Jastrzębie, the port, the marina, dates to 1928. And in here we have, that looks like the toilet, but that's where the battery is. In fact, no, we won't open, just have to take that off, but I can show you this here. There you go. That's for you, yeah. External shower if you want one. Now here, this material, this X-line, it's very tough, and it's very much designed for hard use outdoors. So not only is there wind, but there's now a racket from the vehicles. Oh, and this has been locked, otherwise I'd show you in there. I can't get it open, never mind. But it's a big box, and you can sort of carry all sorts of stuff. Another thing it's got, which is quite curious, is this here, and here, and here. This is ventilation to allow the whatever's in there to actually breathe, should it be necessary. But it's protected from the rain. And one of the questions I said, well, doesn't the water get in? So thinking here from the camper van, but of course, I mean, there's plenty of cars that have boots and the water doesn't get in either. So right, what I'll do is this is the end of the event. The people are now going, but I'll just actually show you up there. You see there's other vehicles in this class here as well. And but anyway, so what I'll do now, I think I'll just leave you with this look. You've got a couple there looking at this, whom I don't know, and looking at this vehicle. And so if you want to have any more information on it, I'll give you the name of the company, Wavecamper, and they are here. Lifestyle Camper, which is info@lifestylecamper.pl. Right, so this is, there we are, Lifestyle Camper. Is that coming out? There you go, Lifestyle Camper. So, and there's the business card as well here. So, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Yastania.